Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, we are discussing how to, let's say, stay in touch with your ideas during doing the presentation. So we are going to explain some practical techniques that help you remember the ideas confidently during presentation. And also we will focus on how to organize and practice your presentation and how to keep natural communication rather than memorizing every sentence. So starting with the first idea, which is organizing your presentation into main points. Instead of memorizing full paragraphs, you may divide your presentation into introduction, 3 to 5 keywords, maybe, or key ideas, sorry, and also conclusion. Uh, for example, you can, let's say, divide the information that you're going to provide in your presentation into the problem that you may present in the introduction. And also you were gonna discuss the causes and solutions in the body or the argument of your presentation. And finally, when you move to the conclusion, you can talk about the results. This would help you make it easier for your brain to follow the sequence naturally, of course. And in this sense, I would say that dividing the presentation into clear section would help you follow your ideas more easily because a simple structure such as introduction, key points, and a conclusion would also create a logical flow and improve memory recall. We start with the practical techniques that you may apply before you do your presentation here. The second idea, which is using keywords, not full sentences, and you may prepare small notes with keywords. طبعا notes أنا you may have them written on cards as you know, like the keywords, short phrases, statistics, and some examples also. And this would help you avoid reading complete sentences because when you read complete sentences, this would increase anxiety if you forget even one word. Okay, and applying or having some keywords or short phrases, statistics, examples will work as triggers that enable you to remember or activate your memory more effectively. And using keywords also instead of full sentences, of course, will reduce stress and allow you to talk naturally because keywords act as memory triggers, as we said, and it helps maintain a smooth communication with audience. And then we have also, before you start your presentation, you may practice with applying the memory place technique, which suggests that you may connect each main idea to a place or image or a mental picture, as you know. So once you see that place or image or that mental picture, or when you remember it, you will remember your, let's say, ideas that you're gonna cover in your presentation. So your brain remembers visual locations very well. Yeah, for example, if you are doing a presentation inside the classroom, you may connect your ideas to your classmates, to your friends inside the classroom. Yeah, for example, if you have 4 friends, let's say Ahmed or Ali or Osama and Walid, for example, you will assign Ali with, let's say, one idea, Ahmed with another. And once you look at Ahmed, you will remember that idea. And I would suggest that inside the classroom, uh, let's say for the purpose of practicing and developing your way of remembering ideas, you may ask your friend to write a keyword that is related to your idea on, let's say, a colorful big card, and they know the order in which they will show their cards or the cards that they hold for you. So the first one will raise the card before you, so you can read the keyword and also start talking about that idea. After you finish, the second one will raise up also that the say card with that keyword, and then you remember your ideas, and you're gonna also you complete talking and so on. In this way, you may remember very well. So applying the memory place technique would help you connect ideas with mental images, as we said, or يعني familiar places. طبعا this help you a lot because the brain, as we said, remembers visual information effectively. So, like associating ideas with images that would help you recall information easier during the presentation. Oh, I would find it a very, yeah, let's say, effective way. Uh, Even if you want to memorize a new vocabulary item, just link it with something in your reality, in your environment. Okay, so that once you see that thing, you will remember that word, and vice versa. Moving to the next slide, and still we are discussing the techniques before doing the presentation. Uh, the fourth technique is to practice out loud repeatedly.